Smart ways to get beautiful and healthy hair in your 30s. Keep those tresses healthy and lustrous in your 30s with these tips. Hair care tips for women on their 30s. Ready? Here are some smart ways to maintain hair health in the long run. 1. Eat right. This one is a no-brainer. A healthy body supports healthy hair. Eating plenty of vegetables and fruits, complex carbs, good fat and steering clear from sugary and processed foods supports the body, and hence hair health. 2. Exercise and stay hydrated. Drinking up often, we mean water and healthy drinks, and staying active also contributes to healthy hair. So stay hydrated and exercise for a minimum of 30 minutes at least 5 times a week. Exercise gets the blood flow going and water helps flush out the toxins. 3. Go natural. Choose hair care products that have natural and safe ingredients. Take herbal essences, for example. Herbal Essences shampoos and conditioners are made from 90% naturally derived ingredients. They are enriched with real plant extracts, which are super effective and offer high-quality performance. 4. Skip the worry. Worry will only contribute to hair and health problems, not solve them. If you're worrying about losing weight, then eating healthy and exercising consistently will help. If you're stressing about hair problems, then Herbal Essences is here to help. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.